Hi friends, welcome to another exciting TechSoft WhatsApp tutorial. Today's tutorial will guide you on how to download WhatsApp status video. Downloading a WhatsApp status video can be done by using a couple of methods depending on whether you want to use a file manager or third-party applications. This tutorial will guide you on how to download WhatsApp status using any method. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to open up WhatsApp and go to the status tab. Tap on the status video you want to download to view or watch the status as you can see on the screen. Once you are done, exit WhatsApp just like this and open up our file manager or my file app, whichever you want to. Now tap on the three horizontal line in the top left corner. Select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings page, you want to enable hidden system or hidden files, so just tap on the switch to turn it on and this will enable the hidden system files. Alright, now go back to the file manager main page just like this. Scroll till you find the option internal storage and tap on it. Now tap on Android. On this page, tap on media. Here, scroll till you find com.whatsapp and tap on it. Tap on WhatsApp again. Now scroll till you find media, the last option, tap on it. Tap on status and this will open the list of status you viewed or you've watched. Scroll till you find the video you just watched and you want to download. Keep scrolling, it might be scattered just like this. Alright, this is the video. Now to download or save this video, you can just long press, tap and hold on it. Tap on the three dots icon above and tap on copy to. Here you can copy this video. Additionally, you can save lots of video. You just tap check mark each video you want to save. Tap on the three dots, tap on copy to, and you can copy or save this video to an existing folder or to a new folder. Alright, tap on add new folder and enter the name of the folder. Let's just go with status video as you can see on the screen. Once you are done, you tap on copy to folder, and once it's copied, these videos that you just downloaded will be saved to your device gallery. And that is it, guys. It's very easy. You can go to your device gallery and look for this video under the folder you just created. If you have collections just like mine, you will see the video under the folder you just created, as you can see on the screen. Status video, you can tap on it to view it. You can also share this video you just downloaded. And that is it, guys. It's very easy. You have successfully saved or downloaded WhatsApp status video. Additionally, guys, you can use a third-party application to download WhatsApp status. You just go to your App Store or your Play Store, whichever you are provided with, and search for WhatsApp status saver. WhatsApp status saver or downloader. You will be provided with lots of status saver. You can just tap on any one to download or install it, then follow the method to download or install with this app, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded WhatsApp status video using a third-party applications. It's very easy, guys. If you have further thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.